Hi, I'm Michael, a Cloud Support Engineer here at the AWS office in Sydney. Sometimes customers ask me, how do I install a Windows feature like .NET Framework 3.5 on a Windows instance running on Amazon EC2? So let me walk you through this process. After signing into the AWS Management Console, navigate to Amazon EC2 console. In the navigation pane, choose Snapshots. From the filter, select Public Snapshots. Add the owner filter and then choose Amazon Images. Add the description filter and type Windows 2016 and press Enter. Select the snapshot that matches your system architecture and language preference. For example, select Windows 2016 English installation media if your instance is running Windows Server 2016. Choose Actions and then choose Create Volume. In the Create Volume dialog box, select the availability zone that matches your Windows instance and then choose Create. So make sure the availability zone is the same as my instance and select Create. In the Volume Successfully Created message box, choose the volume that you just created. Choose Actions and attach volume. In the Attach Volume dialog box, type the instance ID and choose Attach. Now I'm already connected to my Amazon EC2 instance. Here you will make the volume available. For more information, see Making an Amazon EBS volume available for use of Windows. It is very important that you do not initialize the volume. Now open Control Panel, Programs and Features, choose Turn Windows Features on or off. If you are prompted for installation media, specify the EBS volume with the installation media. To install the .NET framework using the Add Roles and Features wizard, in Server Manager, choose Manage and then select Add Roles and Features to start the Add Roles and Features wizard. Select Next. On the Select Installation Type screen, choose Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation. Select the target server. Click Next on this screen. On the Select Feature screen, check the box next to .NET Framework 3.5 features. And click on Next. On the Confirm Installation selection screen, a warning appears. Do you need to specify an alternate source path? If the target computer doesn't have access to the Windows update, use the Specify an alternate source path link to specify the path to //sources //sxs folder on the installation media and then choose OK. After you specify the alternate source, or if the target computer has access to Windows updates, click the X next to the warning and then choose Install. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.